Well, there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed the campsite. If you have any questions, just send me an email on the email address at the bottom of your screen, or jump on my Facebook page and send me a message. If you would like to see more great campground videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button, as well as check out our camping directory at livetocamp.com.au. Also, click on the links in the description below so you can buy all the great gear Live to Camp uses to film your next camping adventure.